Did you know your pitch has nothing to do with your gender expression? While many femme speakers do have a slightly higher pitch, they're not that much higher than some masked speaker. Now, certainly, I can think of quite a few femme speaker like Oprah who has quite a lower voice. But it is actually your resonance. So if you like this kind of content, click like and subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to feminize your voice. So changing your resonance is when you do this. Notice how I actually didn't really change the pitch of my voice, but I was able to change the texture of my voice. And that is because I changed the shape of my oral cavity through moving my tongue, my lips, my jaw. So actually, you're able to speak with a lower pitch and still sound very feminine as long as you have a brighter resonance.